Hello everyone. If you are a Cricket Wireless user running out of data, it might be time to upgrade your eSIM plan. Today, I will show you how to do it quickly and easily. So now let's get started. First, begin by opening the Cricket Wireless app on your phone or visiting their website on your browser. Log into your account using your phone number and password. Now once logged in, navigate to the account settings or manage plan section. This is where you can view your current plan and make changes. Now browse through the available data plans and choose one that best fits your needs. Cricket offers a variety of options including unlimited data plans for heavy users. Now after selecting your new plan, click continue or update. Review the changes including the cost and then confirm your selection. Your new plan should take effect immediately. Now to ensure the changes are applied, restart your device. This step refreshes your eSIM configuration and activates your updated data plan. And that's it. Updating your Cricket Wireless eSIM plan is quick and hassle-free. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.